Hey beautiful people, so we are going to preview this home. This home is 5 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, and I really like this one because they're offering incentives. I believe right now he's saying he can help you get a 5.5% interest rate, and that is for FHA. And then also they are offering $13,000 in closing costs, but I believe you have to act before May 30th for that. Now, incentives are always changing, so definitely let me know if you're seeing this after May 30th, because I can let you know what they have, because it's going to change. So usually monthly they change, so I'll let you know what incentives they have. If you guys have any questions, definitely let me know. Call me 407-374-2747. So this is one of their bathrooms down here. It's a full bathroom downstairs. Plus right here, you can turn this into a bedroom. It looks like they just have it as an office set up right now, but this is a bedroom here. This would be great too for if you have like your in-laws staying with you, your older kids. This is another great one for you. The garage is right here, so they can actually come straight on into the garage, into their room. And then you have the kitchen, you have the dining room and the living room all right here. So this would be great if you guys have like older parents that you guys want to stay with you guys. So let me go ahead and turn this light off in the garage. So it is a 2-car garage here. And you also have some storage space right here in this closet, which is really nice. I've been showing a few homes and you don't have that storage right here, or even much storage at all. So that's good that they have that storage. Now, this is a 2-story home, so let's go upstairs and check out the upstairs. Now, they're going to have carpet all the way up, all upstairs, except for in the bathrooms. And here is the master suite here. I really like this, especially if you guys have like a little baby. You want your little baby to live, like stay in your room with you. You can put your baby right here in your room. You can put your baby right here. That's what I do with my baby, because you want your baby clothes, especially if they're like a newborn. And here is the bathroom. And then you have 2 closets. So this is closet number 1. Your toilet is there. And then you have your shower here. And then here is closet number 2. Let me back out some so you guys can see it. And this is a very new community. So you can see they're still out here building, you guys. They're still out here building. Here is another look at your bathroom. I really like that. Your bedroom here. And then this will be your laundry room. Oh, I really like having the laundry room, the laundry hookup right here outside of the bedroom. So it can all be upstairs, especially if you have a little ones. It's just easier to me to have it right there or right by the kitchen. Here is another bedroom. So here is another bedroom. And then let's check out the closet. Okay, decent sized closet. Let's look at the backyard while we're in here. So you can see they're going to be building all over there too, you guys. They haven't built over there yet. You're right on this main street too, which is really good because you can go right onto that main street and then get on the highway, which is really amazing. So you have a decent sized yard. Maybe put you a fruit tree out there while it's still early. Like as soon as you move in, put you a fruit tree out there and let it grow. Here is the loft that they have upstairs. So here's your loft, and let's look and see how much closet space you have. You have more closet space right here. I love all of the space in this home. It's a lot of space. You can put so much stuff in here. And then let's look over. I love to look over and see what you can see. Y'all get from out of the kitchen. Yelling at the kids. Okay. Here's another bedroom, you guys. And then the closet. Let's see how much space you guys have in the closet. Now, they do include appliances with this home, which is something that I really do like. They include appliances. You just would not have a microwave included. I like the double vanity even in here. This is really nice. You guys have the double sinks. And then there's your tub with the shower. Your toilet is actually in there with it. And your double sinks here. And then a lot of closet space. This is really good. A lot of closet space. Even more closet space. And then you have another bedroom here. And then let's look at this closet. Okay, good. A lot of closet space. So you guys call me anytime. 407-374-2747. I help all around the United States because you see a lot of people watch me. So I've helped people in Texas, buy in Chicago, buy in New York, buy in Wisconsin. I help all around the United States, but if you guys want to actually move here to Florida, or if you guys are in Florida, I can help you directly here, but I'm partnered with a lot of realtors around the United States. I have not branched out internationally yet, but that's one of my goals, you guys, to branch out. So if you guys have any questions, you guys need any help, definitely call me. You can even text me 407-374-2747. I'll be happy to help you guys, and I guess I'll see you guys in the next video. Let me know which one you like, which feature you like the best in this home. I think the thing that I like the best is all of the bathrooms and all of the closet space. It's a lot of closet space. That's something that I really like. And somebody was asking about the carpets. They wanted more carpet. So this one have a lot of carpet. And I like how this is still set up. So if you spill something, you don't have to worry about it getting on the carpet. But I'll see you guys later.